show you how it looks like completely empty. And you can hear my voice echoing, but it will be better once I put stuff in here and something on the windows. So I will be putting up this desk. It will be my temporary bench because transporting the big one right now is just not possible. So temporary bench is up now. Quite easy to assemble and it seems quite solid. It's also quite heavy. The only downside is that obviously where I will put my bench pack. We'll see. I'm very interested to see and to look into other solutions. That's enough for today. Bye. Okay, so it's time to pack everything up. I've got some boxes over here. I've managed to keep some and yeah, I'll use them to pack the tools. I'm taking most of the tools, but yeah, like I mentioned, I will be leaving the bench over here for now because I just want to make sure that the space is okay, and it would be so hard to transport this one and then move it once again if something's wrong. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm putting all of these little bits that I keep on my bench into this little box, this little container. It will be just easier to take it out when I arrive in Krakow. It's just a 2-hour drive by car and we'll be taking it ourselves, so I just don't feel like I have to really protect it. Obviously with some more fragile tools I will definitely wrap them up a little bit better, but yeah, I'm just not stressing too much right now, just trying to wrap it so it doesn't take too much space. Yeah. I've got my patina over here, so I'm going to have to make sure that I wrap these up properly because I don't want to spill it anywhere, and also I don't want to waste it. So they are actually still sealed after I brought them from the UK, so at least that's done. They don't look too clean over here. I wonder if this patina is still usable. Well, I guess we'll see. And these are my stamps, all wrapped up. So I filled this box with all of the little items, saw blades, pliers, well, not all of the pliers, I still have some over here, but most of them. I will have to wrap up the soldering station, that all of this goes with me. I'm gonna go and do that now. I'm going to remove the blades for packing because I don't want them to get damaged. So I'm just going to remove them, take them out of the saw frames. Right, okay, so most of the tools are packed now. Most of the items are in these boxes over here. I still have some tools over here. I need to get this hanger down as well. And what else? Oh, right, yeah, I'll be taking this whole, what is it? Shelf unit or whatever. Yeah, I'll be taking it with me, so I'm not taking the stuff out because I don't see the point. If I have to take it out in the car, I'll just pop it into the bag. But yeah, these are all like packing supplies and for photos, and also some bits and bobs for the bench. And then I'm taking all of this. Actually, I'm also taking the chair. We'll see. We'll see if we can fit it in the car. 2 trips might be necessary. We'll see. All packed up, but we'll be taking it actually next Saturday. I still have to wait a week before I can wrap it all up and fit it in the car. See ya! Hey guys, we are at the petrol station and we are on our way to my hometown. We'll be taking the tools today and bringing them over to the workshop here in Krakow. So we have like a little road trip one day, not very far, but the weather's really nice, so I'm happy to show you some parts of the road. But yeah, I'm just really excited that we are finally bringing it over, and yeah, that we'll finally set up the workshop. So yeah, let's go. So I popped into the workshop for just a minute because I don't really have the time to work on all of this today. But I was just so, I just couldn't wait to go and do anything a little bit. So we brought the things just recently. It's almost ready to be set up. I've bought some boxes this time because, as you can see, I don't have my bench with me. So I will need something for all of the tools. So I got some boxes from Ikea. My camera just died, so I'm just going to film a few shots with a phone. I hope you don't mind. Then I have all these like little boxes. These are actually like organizers for your drawers. So obviously this doesn't look the best, but I like it because there's so many compartments over here, and I just see myself putting some pliers over here, some bigger tools over there. And these will be for my bigger tools like mandrels, hammers, and some other stuff. They are almost the size of the drawers that I have in my jeweler's bench. So I will just organize it the same way as I did in my bench. It will be just easier to do it this way. But anyway, I just realized that I forgot about something. Something is missing. Can you tell? Yes, you are a genius. You guessed it straight away. That's chair. I completely forgot to bring my chair. So, I don't know when I would be able to bring it from my hometown. Probably not very soon. So I'm probably going to look for another one secondhand. Maybe on Facebook Marketplace or on Gumtree. I don't know. I'll see. But I need something with regulated height. And you're probably wondering, but Basha, where are you going to put your bench back? Which is over there on my bench, on my desk. But yeah, don't worry, I found a great solution, which I'm going to show you very soon because I'm actually very proud of this idea. It's also a great tip, so I might actually add it to the tips video, which is coming as well. There's so many videos coming, you guys. I just couldn't work on them before, but now it's going to be so much better. I'm so excited. Alright, yeah, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling and get on with this. Obviously I'm not going to finish today, but at least I will start. Okay, that's enough for today. The bench is mostly set up and I'm quite happy with the space. It's actually much bigger than I thought it would be, and I didn't even put anything in these drawers yet. And I still have a lot to do on this side. I took out my rolling mill, but I'm going to have to figure out how to mount it. I'm going to have to find something to mount it to, because yeah, for now it's just that, and obviously you can't use it just by itself. And there's oxygen condensator inside of this box, thanks to Steve. I got one and I can't wait to start using it. We've been waiting so long for it, but I will start using it very soon. I also have my Smith's little torch in this box over here. So I need to buy gas and learn how to set it all up. and that's when I will start using the proper torch, and I will show you how I use it, how I set it up and everything. The main station is ready. I will need to bring a stool from my flat for now, but I'll look for the second-hand chair as well. See you soon.
Dust of moss and the taste of loss, grey coast home.
Okay, I finished for now. I've cleaned the shelves. I still need to clean the floor, but I don't have anything today to do it. And also I'm thinking about putting something on the floor. This is nice. I mean, it's not bad, but I would like something that would also lower the echo in this room. I will check what could work to put in here. I am waiting for this smaller Ikea kitchen trolley to put all of my heavy tools on there, especially the rolling mill. So I am really waiting for them to restock it because it's out of stock. And as you can see, I've put my tools in these boxes. And how do you like my solution for the bench peg? It's so simple, you guys. But the thing is, my dad made this wooden thingy for me. I'll explain later in detail how it's made. But yeah, there's this little thingy to keep the bench peg in one place because it's flat. And the bench vise is holding this metal thing over here. The level is perfect for me personally, so I'm very excited. It doesn't really move. I mean, the whole desk moves, but this doesn't really move, and I can just take it off when I need to, attach it when I need to. So I'm very happy with this solution for now. The only thing is, again, all of the dust will be falling onto the floor, so I'm again going to have to put something on there. I could put something maybe on my lap here and gather the dust this way. I don't know yet, but for now I am pretty happy with this solution. Yes, so I bought it too small. It doesn't look very bad, but it doesn't look good either. Well, it's definitely going to be better with the second window. But with this one, it's not very bad. What if I do that? So I pulled it to the side and I don't know if that's actually better. And also because there's nothing on here, I actually used a tool string bender to hold it in place. Yeah, I'm going to figure something out, you guys. So actually, I can't put it up. It's not gonna work, so I'm just gonna use the very easy trick with a string. I'm gonna attach it to both sides, and then I'm gonna hang the string. And this is not gonna look very professional, but I don't care. At least I'll be able to put it up. So there we go. Okay, so it actually worked. And you can't even really see the string. That's the best part. But I really like how it turned out. Less with this one. But this one's awesome. Okay guys, one more changed. So I went ahead and moved the bench over here because I've realized, even though this is the north side and this is the west side, I've got more light over here in front of this much bigger window. So I think I'm gonna stay here actually. I like it better, I think. I'm sure I will be making lots of changes here because, you know, this is my first day in the workshop as well. So obviously I just put things on shelves and it's not at all organized. And I'm definitely getting more plants. I mean, look over there and over there. these are just asking for plants, so I'm definitely getting more. And I'm going to change the lamp over here because I'm not too happy with this one. But for now, that's it. I think I will be keeping you updated and I'll show you everything. So that's that for now, and I will keep you updated how I am setting it all up. So yeah, see you later.